Hi everyone. So let me introduce Jove, the flexible bundled insurance for the self-employed people. If there's one thing that has been highlighted by COVID, that's the lack of protection for the self-employed people. Imagine Bob is an employee, he is on a monthly salary, and if Bob is sick, he's covered under the company medical insurance, and he has limited liability at work. Jill, on the other hand, is a contractor. She has unstable income, loss of earning when she's sick, and she's liable for her own professional and public liability insurances. So majority of the protection system and insurance product is designed for Bob, but not for Jill. And that's what we embarked to change. So we are a team of repeat entrepreneurs that have been worked together before. I was the ex-co-founder of a CEO and of the a talent marketplace iContract that connects professional contractors with employers for job matching. And since launching in 2017, we quickly grew to just over 20,000 contractors within just 2 years. And last year, we've exited the business to the world's largest oil and gas recruitment company, Swift. And before that, I had over 10 years experience in investment banking, corporate finance, and derivative pricing. Our co-founder, Duncan, is ex-co-founder of another talent marketplace for software engineers, Habadu. So jointly, we've worked closely with contractors for the last 5 years and has a close network of over 30,000 contractors. Our CTO, Alex, is an Oxford University educated engineer and the ex-tech lead of accountancy software Free Agent. And this is then accompanied by our chairman, John, who has over 30 years experience in the insurance market. So Jove's mission is to build a dynamic protection portal and global network for the new generation self-employed people, a place where protection, benefit, community support, learning, and inspiration thrive. Our target audience are white-collar contractors, creative gig economy workers, and hospitality workers. And that's an ever-growing segment of population globally. There are up to 162 million people in the United States and Europe who engage in independent work, and that's 20 to 30% of the working age population. And that is a 100 million budget per year opportunity just in the UK alone. We think that SaaS is the future of the insurance market. That's why we designed a digital, flexible insurance portal for the customers. So where the customer can mix and match and create their own bundle, for example, gadget, professional, or health insurances with instant quote. And they can change any of the single product status or coverage level, for example, change your location or pause your policy through our digital dashboard with instant adjusted premium. And all of these under one simple monthly subscription. We designed our Jove Rewards system to increase customer retention through gamification. And this means that Jove's customer can collect a reward through our community referral or through our premium give back program. We pride ourselves to be always on the side of the customer. So we work actively with our insurer to give the premium back to our community when the claim level is low. And then Jove's customers can use the reward to pay for premium renewals and pay for other partner services. What really differentiates us from our competitors are our product flexibility, the competitive pricing, and fully embedded customer-centric user experience. And on top of this, our reward system and our embedded customer acquisition channel really set us apart. We've already gained full product capacity from an innovative insurer Wacom for gadget, professional, and motor insurances, and we're currently discussing a health insurance product with Bupa. We've established our exclusive distribution network with talent marketplaces, Habadu, iContract, and Bus Hire, as well as with large recruitment companies, Swift and Barry Recruitment. This provides us with instant access to over 1 million active customers. Our unique go-to-market strategy is through our embedded insurance into these talent marketplaces. This allows us to capture users when they're most actively looking for insurances and allow the customers to click one button and to share the data with us so that we can provide them with instant quote and policy. We've also established embedded partnership with fintech companies such as Pocket with over 500,000 active customers and a Series C Silicon Valley-backed remote working platform, Let's Deal. And this is then enhanced through our B2C reward referral system. Our core revenue is through our monthly subscription fee on the insurance package, which is around 30% on premium, the upsell product fee, and advertisement. And we're currently looking for £600,000 of seed funding, and we have over 50% of the round committed already. And now we look forward to welcome you on board. Thank you.
Amazing. Thank you so much, Amanda. So I think it's very clear that you're building a differentiated and very sticky product for this target market. My question for you is around the acquisition strategy, given that this is quite a competitive market. Keen to hear your thoughts on how you view that.
Yeah, so our unique acquisition strategy is really through the fully embedded automated journey with the talent marketplaces that we partnered with. So for example, we partnered with Habadoo iContract and Air Swift, who is using the talent marketplace iContract for their global recruitment across 60 different locations. And what allows us to differentiate ourselves is the capability of identifying the customer when they're actively looking for insurance. For example, when people are being placed for interview and placed for a job, so that we can use the open insurance API to identify the gap of the insurance that they have and then suggest the competitive product for them. So basically from the start to identify the customer to quote, it reduced the entire process from normally maybe 2 or 3 minutes, depends on the different channel, to just 20 seconds. This is also a unique and fair advantage for us because we can actively working together with these talent marketplaces to refine our API, and this allows us to scale it to other platforms once we have the software ready.